Hi, my name is Dolly Dunstan, and I'm a public health major with the end goal of becoming a doctor. It's the first time I've seen Dr. Dunstan, so it's kind of weird and exciting. This is my family. A little bit about me. I am BRCA positive, which is just a genetic mutation, and it just means that I have a super high percentage chance of developing breast cancer or ovarian cancer. And if you have any questions about that or want to know more, please reach out to me. I'm an open book when it comes to that. I actually got it from my dad's side of the family, which most people don't associate that with a paternal side, but that's what happened. As you can see, I have a redheaded family. Fun fact, less than 1% of the world has red hair and blue eyes, and we all have red hair and blue eyes. So I love to feed people and cook. I love to make them fat and happy, and I'm working on being fat and happy because I love to eat. So, anyway, I love to cook. I love to cook anything non-American. I'm very adventurous when it comes to food. I love to make costumes. My daughter, that is in the middle front, she performs in musicals, and I usually make her costumes for those. So I love to donate my time there. I've been married to my husband for 18 years, and I currently live in Yakima, Washington. I've lived here for about 16 years, other than an 18-month stint in Downingtown, Pennsylvania, which is a suburb of Philly. And I grew up in Washington, D.C. I'm currently a stay-at-home mom slash full-time student, very full-time student. I'm taking 5 classes this semester, so let's hope I can continue. And I'm currently a cemetery, that's what it feels like when you get up early. I'm currently a seminary teacher early morning. We have seminary 4 days a week. I love teaching the youth. They're amazing, amazing teens. My goals are to get my bachelor's in public health. There are currently 12 classes and 1 internship between me and graduating. After I get my bachelor's degree, I'm going to a state university to take my sciences and study for the MCAT and take the MCAT. Then I'll hopefully start medical school and then be a doctor. My favorite quote is by Gordon B. Hinckley, and it says, "The work of the world isn't done by extraordinary people. The work of the world is done by ordinary people who've learned to work in extraordinary ways, or in an extraordinary way." I love this quote because it just reminds me that we're all learning and working towards that specific thing of learning to work in extraordinary ways. So I look forward to getting to know all of you.